Pakistan is the fifth populous country in the world. According to WHO rough estimate, 15% of the population is living with disabilities. The public and private healthcare facilities all over the country are insufficient to meet the growing population needs. Persons with disabilities are largely marginalized and segregated group deprived of services and abandoned by society, who live in poverty and are often condoled with and yet neglected. In Pakistan, lack of awareness and prejudice is impeding their complete civil, political, socio-economic and other developmental rights. Association for Rehabilitation of the Physically Disabled has always aimed to remove all cultural, physical, social and other barriers that prevent differently abled people from universal access and full participation in all aspects of life. Mainstreaming persons with disabilities is the ultimate goal of this organization. ARPD is an initiative taken by Dr. Farhat Rahman, who successfully ran this facility till 2005, but unfortunately, this organization was in ruins after her demise. Ms. Anjum Anwar, a philanthropist, kind-hearted and a dynamic lady, took charge of the organization with the aim to pursue her mission in 2015 by reviving the facility. Ms. Anjum was based in United States of America for 35 years, but her strong affiliation with her roots brought her back to Pakistan. On her prior visits, the poor living conditions of the underprivileged people urged her to bring a change in their lives, and she decided to work for the empowerment of these people. In USA, she found an NGO, Helping Hearts Caring Souls, which was registered as 501c3 for the provision of health, education and vocational services. All the donors of this NGO extended their full support to her cause, and with their extensive support, she broadened her mission to Pakistan and was introduced to Association for Rehabilitation of Physically Disabled. The center was in shackles, and reviving its infrastructure was the foremost thing, but her enthusiasm whatsoever did not allow any hurdle to come in her way, and she carried on her mission with determination. She selflessly worked day and night to incriminate all forms of discrimination and mistreatments against persons with disabilities in 2016. In our rehabilitation section, patients are provided with physiotherapy without discrimination of their caste, creed, gender, or religion. Because of poor economic conditions and lack of accessibility to quality physical therapy facilities, every year a large number of patients come to our rehabilitation center with high hopes and expectations. ARPD provides treatment to physically disabled patients, which is aligned with globally recognized comprehensive rehabilitation standards. As a result of constant increase in the number of patients, we are continuously trying to expand our existing facility. Other than the physiotherapy, we provide different services to the people with and without disabilities. ARPD has an orthopedic workshop where orthotic and prosthetic devices for physically disabled patients are made not only for the people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa but also for the people of Punjab. After a recent signing of MOU between ARPD and Mayo Hospital Lahore, a large number of people from Punjab are benefiting from this collaboration. Modular, which is an advanced technology in Pakistan for persons with disabilities, is also being made in the orthopedic workshop in Peshawar. ARPD's Skills Development Center provides free training to women, youth, and persons with disabilities to prepare them for getting employed and engaged in the income-generating activities. We offer them courses which includes tailoring, English language, computer automation, and beauty parlor. In 2019, we achieved another milestone and established a free-of-cost inclusive school. This system is based on the amazing United Nations concept of inclusiveness and diversity. Here, children with and without disabilities, street children, and children from different ethnic backgrounds are getting 100% free education in friendly and secure environment. So far, 150 students have been enrolled in ARPD's inclusive school system. All inclusive school provides everyone with an equal opportunity, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. The students here learn to accept individual differences and accommodate everyone in best possible way. When all children, irrespective irrespective of their differences, are learning together, they develop tolerance and acceptance. We believe that people with disabilities must be empowered to exercise their basic right to employment with dignity. This year, we have established small businesses for people with disabilities. Moreover, ARPD's 15% of the employees are with disabilities. In Pakistan, we are working as a national training and networking center under the community-based rehabilitation concept within the community development for the rehabilitation, equalization, and social integration of all the people with disabilities. Following the CBR concept, we are successfully implementing the Outreach Patients program throughout the country. This program is one of the major and unique programs of our organization. The purpose of Outreach Patients program is to offer free rehabilitation services to the physically disabled people at their doorsteps. Inclusive games and recreational activities are also arranged for the people with disabilities. We also arrange sports training for the people with disabilities to prepare them to participate in the national and international competitions. ARPD has produced champions with disabilities in the field of table tennis, powerlifting, and badminton. Food insecurity is one of the most significant issues that emerged during COVID-19 pandemic. ARPD's team distributed ration among more than 1,000 deserving families regardless of their religion, caste, and creed. In recognition of the organization's pioneering humanitarian work, ARPD has been awarded with different awards, which included Savera Award for the Best Social Services, Appreciation Award from Government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Work Recognition Award from Directorate of Sports of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Afghan TV Award for Best Social Services, I Am the Change Impact Award by Angro Foundation for Best Organization of Pakistan. Association for Rehabilitation of the Physically Disabled is a state-of-the-art facility for multidisciplinary disabilities. We firmly believe that no human should be denied of basic rights of life and receiving quality rehabilitation due to his or her disability or incapacity to pay for it. Let us all join hands to help HHCS and ARPD become a modern welfare organization where more people get free of cost and quality rehabilitation services, healthcare, education, and emergency relief. These helpless and marginalized communities can be empowered with your love and donations.